Hindi pwedeng, hindi ito, reading. Hindi pwedeng ganun. Kailangan ipaintindi natin sa kanila na ganito yung paniniwala natin. And hindi pwedeng, dahil ito yung paniniwalaan natin, yun na yung dapat nilang paniwalaan.
Although, gets ko din na there are religions who say na don't do tarot reading and stuff like that. Yun. Parang, maybe for them, they still believe na kasi nga it's evil spirits.
Science and spirituality could coexist. So, why don't we incorporate it to make it a better world, diba? Hindi naman pwedeng sarado lang isip natin paragi. Hindi tayo magiging, what we call this, hindi tayo magiging, hindi tayo magiging more open, hindi tayo magiging advanced.
Okay, welcome sa isa na namang araw ng Kayod. At of course, bago tayo magtungo sa Whenever I See Boys and Girls, it's Halloween season. Tama ba yung Whenever I See Boys and Girls or Girls and Boys?
Never ask boys.
And everything in between, Halloween season muna. Okay, and very special ang ating episode today. Dahil ang pag-uusapan natin ng Kayod is something na full of mystery or madaming hindi alam ang mga tao sa Kayod nito. And that is tarot reading. Did I say that right?
Yes.
Tarot reading. And of course, kasama natin si Miko and si AC for that. Hello! Hello, thank you so much at sinamahan nyo kami sa araw na ito. How do you call tarot readers ba? Or meron bang tamang term for that? Practitioners,
readers.
ganun. Tarot readers, okay. May iba bang tawag?
Pwedeng tarot diviner because tarot reading is a form of divination.
Psychic.
Pero, yes, psychic.
So, iba-iba. Wala namang...
It really depends on the practice.
Paano napupunta sa ganitong field?
Depende siya eh. Ako kasi, from the very first start, I was 7, 8, or 9 years old.
Ang aga.
Napanood ko yung movie ni Marian Rivera. Yun
Ano
yung
to?
Tarot.
Ano
Horror
to?
movie siya yung parang dumilipad yung cards. I was really scared of that, actually. Tapos nagulat na lang ako, I found myself buying this Sakura cards, yun sa anime.
Oo.
Tapos ginawa ko siyang tarot cards that time. And I was just still a child. Tapos nabasa ko may masusunugan daw. Tapos nangyari siya.
And you
yung
were
start.
8 years old?
Yeah.
Oh.
But it was an on and off naman. So, nag-start lang ulit ako this 2020 pandemic when my friends are practicing na rin. Tapos parang, gusto ko rin. Tapos bumili na naman ako Sakura cards and the same thing happened. May nasunugan na naman. And eto na.
Sana wag na sila masunugan. Buti hindi ka natakot dun sa gift mo. Na-embrace mo siya agad.
Nung una natakot ako kasi akala ko it was demonic. It was satanic ritual. But then, it really depends kung anong klaseng practitioner ka. Kung love and light ka ba? Kung shadow worker ka pa.
Ano yung sa'yo? Ano yung sa'yo?
Hindi ako, parang wala akong ganong klaseng labels.
Walang label. Okay.
Yeah, but ako, I'm a tarot diviner and also I do Reiki healing. So, pinag-merge ko yung dalawang practice na yun.
That's interesting. So, yung ganitong practice ba, do you choose it or does it choose you?
For me, I believe talaga na it chooses you. Kasi kung calling mo talaga siya, kasi tulad ako,
Ang aga eh.
ang aga, tapos ilang beses ko siyang dinodge, parang, no, this is not for me. I was raised in a Catholic household. Parang, hindi, ayoko. Pero, ito na, andito na ako after countless times na hindi para sa akin to. Ito na siya. Way of living ko na siya, naging kabuhayan ko na siya, nakakatulong na ako sa ibang tao. And, coming from someone na maraming tanong sa buhay, simula na nag-tarot reading ako, grabe. Parang,
Nasasagot siya.
nasasagot siya. And at the same time, wala na akong ganong tanong. Ang tinatanong ko na lang sa tarot actually, kundi career love. Pero yung mga simple na dating tanong ko talaga, hindi. Parang okay na.
Give you more clarity,
Yeah.
kumbaga.
Kaya gusto ko sana sa ibang tao naman, parang I can give you the answers I've been looking for before. Parang gano'n, parang
Para mahanap din ng mga tao yung clarity na yun.
kasi alam ko yung pakiramdam na hindi ko alam yung sagot sa tanong ko. For example, yung mga clients ko, tinatanong nila, babalik pa ba siya? Siyempre, I've been there. So parang, ayan, I can provide answers na rin. And somehow, natutulungan ko sila. Kasi nakakausap ko yung spirit guides nila eh. Parang, ito sabi ng spirit guides mo, galit na siya sa'yo, napapagod ng guardian angel mo. Nasasabi ko yun, and hindi nila kasi alam. And feeling ko, parang, kahit cheat code siya, parang guide na rin siya, parang tulong na rin siya. Diba?
Paano mo na-overcome yung stigma? Lalo na na-mention mo, you came from a Christian family. Paano mo na-overcome yun? Kasi may internal battle ka kung tutuloy ba ako dito. Is this a good thing? Sabi mo
Yeah.
kanina parang akala mo satanic or something. Paano mo na-overcome yun?
Actually, conflicting siya kasi yung family ko, at the same time, kahit religious sila, kahit lumaki ako sa Roman Catholic family, naniniwala din sila sa kulam. And may mga ancestors kami na nang kukulam din talaga, sasabihin na, magpadala ka ng picture ng tatay mo. Paghihiwalayin natin ganyan. May ganong kwento. So, sobrang conflicting niya. And at the same time, nagka-choir din ako sa church. Nagsaserve ako sa church.
Until now?
Yeah, for like 7 years na ata.
So you don't think that's a conflict?
No.
Na you do tarot reading but also active ka sa church?
No, kasi may mga witches na Christian witches.
So you guys see yourself as witches?
Ako personally, hindi pa. Although I was taught some witch practices.
I'm so sorry, I just need to say this pero nagka-fangirl ako because binabasa ko yung mga witches ng bata ako and you guys are real life witches. I'm a huge fan. I just had to say that. Please proceed. You were saying.
Yeah, how about ikaw?
Legal ba to? Kung nakikita to ng pamilya ko, wag din seryosohin, Charis. Hindi, kasi yun, katulad sa kanya, protection na rin. Kasi hindi naman pwedeng nagbabasa lang ako. Kailangan ko rin mag-cleanse. And I believe yung mga simple na pag-blow ng candle kapag may birthday, witchcraft yun eh. May mga ganun yung
Like
burning
yung wishing dun sa
Yeah.
candle na yun.
Prayer is a form of manifestation.
It's spellcasting.
Yeah, kasi you're basically saying na, Lord, sana
Oo
ganito,
nga, no?
ganyan. Pero kapag pinut mo siya in a witch perspective, ganun lang din. Iba lang yung sinasabihan mo. Kasi kapag witch ka, it's either a deity or goddess or ganyan-ganyan. Pero kapag Catholic ka or religious person ka, sinasabihan mo lang si God. So, it differs lang kung sino pinapaniwalaan mo talaga.
Yes.
Pare-parehas lang sila.
I wanna build on that also. And related din dun sa question na parang dapat ba may religion or ayun. Parang ako din sa practice ko, tinatanong ko din yung querents ko kung ano bang religion nila. Hindi dahil sa kinakategorize ko sila or something, but because I try to tune in also in their beliefs somehow. And I want to reassure them na parang wala namang pinipiling relihiyon itong practice na to. Parang at the end of the day, the cards, tools lang sila.
Yes.
Parang just like the
May
Bible.
free will eh.
Oh, exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you don't see a conflict?
No.
Not
Ako personally, no.
Interesting take. O kasi, di ba, parang may perspective na magkaiba yun. Or magkalaban yung dalawang yun. If
Yes,
you
yes.
believe in that, and you believe in this, parang conflicting siya.
It can coexist talaga.
Yes. Although, gets ko din na there are religions who say na don't do tarot reading and stuff like that. Yun. Parang, maybe for them, they still believe na kasi nga it's evil spirits or it might conjure like bad entities. Although, kung yun yung intention, that can actually happen. Pero, like, if hindi naman yun yung intention mo, hindi mo kailangan matakot.
And
kasi
as long as alam yung ginagawa mo.
Yes,
Kasi hindi din, katulad ng sabi ko kanina, hindi lang siya basta tarot reading. Siyempre, before niya mag-meditate ka, mag-cleanse ka, make sure you're intact, you're okay, ganyan, okay yung mental health mo. Hindi ka pwede magbasa ng pagod, na may
Yes.
sakit.
May ganun din.
Yes, kasi
Na kailangan
maapektuhan
okay
yung
state
energy.
mo.
Kasi you're tapping into someone's energy.
yes.
Yeah. So, hindi siya pwedeng basta ka lang magta-tarot reading. Kasi it can be dangerous din naman kung tarot reading ka lang basta. Ganun.
Parang you might do more harm
than good.
And in Reiki also, may ganun ding principle na parang I'm not sure with other Reiki practitioners, pero when I was doing my studies about it then, as part of my certification, hindi, kunyari ako as a Reiki practitioner, hindi ako pwedeng mag-heal ng other or mag-channel ng healing Reiki energies for other people kapag ako mismo may sakit ako.
So, sarili nyo talaga yung puhunan nyo in this practice, no?
Nakakapagod siya actually.
Yes.
Every
That's
time
why
you
very important yung sinabi niya na if you are going to delve into this, you have to learn the basics. And with the basics come yung spiritual hygiene, spiritual protection, spiritual cleansing.
Ever since, ganyan na yung state nyo? Or did you have to work on that? On that spiritual cleanse? On getting to this point of taking care of yourself? Or
I did.
Or meron ba kayong mga sacrifices that you had to let go to be able to embrace this practice?
There are a lot of negative habits of mine before.
Na nilet go mo?
Yes, sobrang nakatulong siya kasi simula na nagpunta ako dito sa practice na to, parang ang dami kong iniwan na negativities.
Example?
Yung siguro every week umiinom. Tapos yung talking badly of other people. Siyempre, hindi ko naman maiiwasan ngayon, ganyan. Pero nababawasan parang
Nakaka-apekto siya sa practice.
Kailangan bawasan mo rin yung negativity sa buhay mo. Naniniwala ko na dapat pag may mga hindi ka na ginagamit, tapon na yan, ganyan.
Kahit sa gamit?
Tsaka hindi na ako masyado nakikipag-usap sa mga taong alam kong negative
Negative
lang
rin.
din naman.
I'm from Bohol. Meron kaming word na buyag. Alam
Yes,
niyo ba
I've heard
yun?
of that.
Oo, kapag kino-compliment ang bata, pwedeng magkasakit yung bata.
Tapos lalawayan.
Oo, lalawayan. Kasi
Kaya meron tayong
nabuyagan
pera-usog.
siya.
Yes.
Oo, exactly.
That's why
Ang
we have
galing.
pera-usog. Yes.
So, meron ding ganun pala sa Pilipinas. Ang galing no, doon pala galing yung concept na yun. Lagi akong nabubuyagan nung bata ako. Actually, lagi akong nalalawayan. Kasi lagi akong
I actually had
nabubuyagan.
a content then about that on my page. Parang it's a reflection on the evil eye. Tapos that's where I also tried to research on the origins ng evil eye and ano yung implications din niya to different people. Parang isa lang din I mean lahat naman ng belief system I think kapag na misinterpret din may chance siya na magkaroon ng not so empowering effects I guess. So ay nga parang it was common in those cultures.
Kung before tentative pa ako kung totoo yung evil eye, I am going to believe them totoo ang evil eye. But just to go back, dun sa kung paano kayo nagsimula, may iba ba kayong other jobs na tinry before you pursued this one?
I actually started when I was in 3rd year or 4th year college.
Ano yung work mo nun?
Hindi, ito na siya.
Ah, okay. Pero may tinry ka ibang work?
Yeah, government. I worked in Dole before.
Oh.
Yeah. Tapos ngayon nasa DOTR na ako.
So sa government pa rin yun, di ba?
Yeah.
So pinagsasabay mo siya with this.
Yes.
Yun yung full-time job mo, kumbaga. And ito ay side hustle.
Bali, yun yung sa umaga, ito sa gabi. Ganun.
Love it.
Ikaw, meron ka bang ganun?
Yes, ano pa rin ako, in my day job, I'm a corporate communications writer. Tapos, ay nga, again, halos more than a year pa lang ako na nagbabasa din ng tarot reading.
So for both of you, ito ay side hustle. Would you recommend na maging full-time job ito?
Depende. Like, I know people na
Na
full-time
full-time?
job nila. But yeah, I mean, it can be...
Depende.
Oo.
By average, per month, ilan yung you call it querents?
Querents.
Querents?
Q-U-E-R-E-N.
Ano yun? Iba ba yun sa client? Ganon? Querent?
Same lang.
Same lang naman.
Oo.
Ibang ano lang.
Like,
Parang
specific
jargon
lang
talaga
din.
siya.
Paano nyo na-realize na this was, it transitioned from something you're just interested in and to something na pwedeng pagkakitaan? Kailan nagbago, nag-shift yung ganong thinking na, uy, pwede pala?
Siguro sa TikTok. Kasi ang dami nun. Pandemic. Parang yun yung laman ng For You page ko. Parang babalik si ganito. Your ex is coming back. Parang ganun. Tapos parang, ay, pinagkakakitaan nila. So, why not? Diba? Tsaka marami rin talaga sa Twitter. Search mo lang, tarot reading. Tarot
Oo,
page.
nakikita ko.
Meron.
Nakikita
Kahit
ko
saan ka
yun sa
mag-search.
Twitter.
Yes.
Oo.
Yes.
We talked kanina na wala siyang conflict with religion, but
Yes.
also you mentioned na wala siyang conflict with science.
Yes.
Na you would even recommend for them to seek help psychologically and sa mga psychiatrists,
Yes.
di ba?
But I wouldn't speak for all tarot
course.
practitioners, for all spiritual practitioners.
Personal
Kasi,
advocacy mo
yes,
siya.
that's my personal advocacy. Kasi meron ding mga spiritual, especially with folk healers din, with indigenous spiritual workers ng bayan natin.
Oo, madami yung kilalang ganyan.
Yes,
Oo.
na parang sila naman din, as in, meron sa kanilang iba na hindi rin ina-advise.
Oo, hindi naniniwala sa medical. Oo.
Yes. And I respect that. Pero ako, in my practice, parang andun pa din ako, I guess. Hindi ko alam kung I'll be like them ba na...
In the future, di natin
diba?
alam.
We don't know. And for me naman din kasi I've always had this belief na spirituality and science will somehow converge eventually. Maybe the resources we have lang right now is not yet enough to put a finger on that missing link.
How about you? Ano yung advokasya mo? Ano yung nakapagpa-yes sa'yo into pursuing this practice?
Yun nga, yung parang gusto ko magkaroon ng sagot sa mga tanong. Kasi lahat tayo may tanong eh. Tapos may mga tao kasi na hindi nila alam kung kanino sila magtatanong. Marami akong clients na gusto nila ng therapy, yes, pero wala silang money for it, 'di ba? Hindi naman lahat.
Mahal kasi.
Hindi siya accessible eh.
Hindi
Pero
talaga, oo.
kunyari, may tinanong sila, meron nga nagtatanong sa akin, buntis po ba ako? May gano'n siya.
Paano mo
Siyempre,
sinasagot
hindi ko yun masasagot. Sabi ko, sinasabi
Hindi
ko,
tayo? Dali tayo?
mag-hindi na lang
Pregnancy test?
tayo. So, kailangan natin silang intindihin kung saan sila nanggagaling.
How about the prejudice? The stigma. Kasi di ba may mga non-believers. Hindi sila naniniwala sa ganitong practice. Or kaya tentative sila about it. Hesitant sila to believe it. May na-experience ba kayong ganun?
Yes, I have coworkers before na hindi talaga sila naniniwala. Kasi nga, man of science, woman of science,
oo.
STEM, women in STEM, mga ganang tao talaga.
Yes,
And siguro respect na lang din with each other's beliefs. And yung taong yun, hindi siya naniniwala at all. Tapos binasahan ko siya, sabi ko, nakilala mo yung girlfriend mo sa dating app. Doon siya nagulat. Ganun lang yun eh. Parang ipapaintindi mo sa kanila na ito yung practice ko. I respect yours ha. I respect yours. But this is mine. So, kailangan din nating bigyan ng understanding yung mga tao. Educate. Educate is the key lang talaga. Hindi not to shame them, not to discriminate them. Kailangan mo lang talagang ipaalam sa tao na ito yung ginagawa ko without stepping into other shoes talaga.
Yes.
Kasi doon na naman yun eh. Need natin magkaintindihan. Hindi pwedeng, hindi ito, reading. Hindi pwedeng ganun. Kailangan ipaintindi natin sa kanila na ganito yung paniniwala natin. And hindi pwedeng, dahil ito yung paniniwalaan natin, yun na yung dapat nilang paniwalaan.
Parang dapat ito na yung tama. Parang hindi naman ganon.
How does this make you better as a person? Paano nito naapektuhan, itong gift na to? Paano naapektuhan yung everyday life mo as a person?
As a practitioner kasi need mo ng higher vibration. You need to be in higher frequency. So kung, eto nga, since nagpa-practice na ako, I need to dwell into positivity. Mahirap yung puro negativity kasi parang feeling ko nadadown ako. So, yun nga sabi ko kanina, I needed to cut off some people in my life. I needed to cut some negative habits talaga. So, it made me a better person in my perspective. Kasi natutunan ko na, ay, hindi pala dapat ganito yung ginagawa ko. May mali sa ginagawa ko. Syempre, tinatanong ko rin naman yung tarot, like, tama ba itong desisyon ko? Dapat bang ganito? Tsaka sa spiritual practice kasi na to, may pinapaniwalaan ka eh. So, yun yung pupuntahan mong path. And the path that I chose is into positivity talaga. Mahirap kasi yung puro negativity. Someone, parang, this is coming from someone na depressed in the past. I was diagnosed. So this became a tool talaga na parang, shocks, ang ganda na ng buhay ko. Lately, naramdaman ko na parang, I am in my highest frequency. I am working on my shadows. Ganyan, ina-embrace ko siya kasi, hindi naman siya laging love and light eh.
Exactly.
Hindi naman all the time positive akong tao. Syempre, pero na-handle ko siya kasi hindi natin may iwasan na may negativities talaga sa buhay eh.
Yep.
Hindi mo siya madadodge bigla-bigla na lang. So, this became a tool for me to know what to do and what not to do.
Mentally taxing ba siya? Pwede bang mag-time out muna, ganun?
Yes, especially if yung client mo is really, parang bigat na bigat. I had this client na niloko siya ng asawa niya, tapos naging legal matters na. And ayoko talaga mag-read ng legal matters like what she said. Tapos parang sobrang draining niya kasi parang, hindi ko to problema, pero parang nadidrain ako. Parang, nagiging
sobrang
na.
important ng spiritual hygiene, protection, cleansing, and also setting boundaries. Na parang kapag may nagpabasa, parang kapag sinabing 20 minutes lang, and usually you set the boundary na, kunyari, halimbawa, I'll take as an example, yung recently, I was at StickerCon Manila's Mystic Market. So may free reading kami, and dun sa free reading na yun, 5 minutes per querent lang. So bago ko simulan yung 5 minutes na timer, sinasabihan ko na din kaagad
Na 5
talaga
minutes
na, 5 minutes lang tayo at dahil 5 minutes lang to, yung ma-accommodate lang natin sa 5 minutes na yun, I will just pull one card for you.
Okay.
And dun sa one card na yun, kapag yung lahat ng insights nandun na, tapos may time pa, tapos may follow-up question ka, I'll look at that one card kung andun na yung sagot, kung wala yung sagot, at may oras pa, dun ako bubunot. So parang, it's really managing expectations, it's really setting boundaries, telling them about the fine print. Kasi that's also your protection and the querent's protection also.
Ito yung mga bagay na hindi alam ng maraming tao.
Yes.
Akala nila basa-basa lang, tapos na. It's a whole process.
It is.
There's
It's
a
a
lot
ritual.
of work.
Yes.
There's a lot of work behind behind the scenes na hindi nakikita ng mga tao.
Yes.
Paano ka nag-cleanse?
Marami, tulad na sabi niya kanina, incense, salt bath. Ako, minsan ginagamit ko yung frequency. May maraming frequency. Pag sinearch mo sa Spotify or
Sound
sa...
frequencies,
yeah,
right?
sa
Nakikinig ka
YouTube.
dun?
Yes, merong mga Tibetan
Yes.
bowl, singing, mga ganun. Pero usually, ang ginagamit ko talaga is incense, salt bath, yun nga, frequency. Minsan, candle work. Spell
Paano
work.
ginagawa? Makikinig ka ng music, tapos
Yeah. Yun na yun. That's it.
tapos magme-meditate ka.
Yes.
You infuse it with your intention na may this music.
May specific frequency kasi na for healing talaga, for love, for manifestation. Iba't iba siya, marami siya actually.
Do you get scared? Do you get scared na may ma-attract kayong bad?
Before, yes. Ngayon parang, it is what it is.
Kasama sa trabaho, yung ganong risk.
May ganong fear. Oo, pero kaya nga dapat din parang
Knowledgeable ka
yes,
talaga.
dapat knowledgeable ka and dapat intentional and know the basics. Parang wag lang double ng double.
You can't wing it.
Yes.
Tsaka sa, age of social media,
Oo.
sobrang raming TikTok videos na ganito gawin mo para bumalik si ex, ganyan, para ma-protect ka. May mga ganun kasi na hindi nila alam na there's layers to it.
Yes.
Always start with the basics. Kasi may mga kilala ko na basic baby witches na last year lang nag-aral, tapos biglang nagulat na lang ako, nag-offer na sila ng services. Like, hindi nila alam yung dangers. Hindi nila alam na pwedeng, imbis na makatulong sa kapwa, baka maput mo pa sila into danger. Kaya kailangan talaga na alam yung ginagawa mo. Kasi hindi naman to basta-basta.
Oo.
Mahirap.
May
Mahirap
proseso at may tamang
Yes.
paraan
It's
para
not just
gawin
a
yung
fad. It's not just a trend.
Hindi siya trend, oo.
Yes.
Akala kasi ng iba pag viral, parang, hala, gusto ko na rin.
Gagawin ko na din.
Hindi nila alam. I mean, may nagsabi sa akin, tarot reading is not just something that anyone can do. Anyone can tarot read, but not everyone has the gift.
Yes.
So, akala kasi ng iba parang yung cards may meanings na parang yun na yun. Alam ko yung keywords yun na yun. Hindi nila alam, need mo ng gift, need mo ng intuition, need mo na may pag-connect. Iba-iba kasi siya eh. Hindi nila alam yung ganun na may mga ganun pala.
Nabanggit nyo nga kanina, you are chosen, hindi nyo siya pinili. Okay,
Oh,
kahit
God.
isang card lang. Kasi gusto ko malaman ng mga tao kung paano nyo ginagawa yung practice nyo. Ano yung ginagawa nyo muna, before you do it, paano nyo nakikita, paano nyo ginagawa yung interpretation. MG.
Do you wanna start?
What if we both throw cards na lang?
For each other.
Sige, sige.
Kinabahan.
You're next.
Kailangan ko ba magtanong?
Pwede naman.
May mga pumupunta ba sa inyo na walang tanong?
Yes, may service akong gamit. May service kang May service kang gamit.
Sorry, ano yung question?
General lang.
Oo, as in, pumupunta sila na walang tanong.
Ako din when I start yung reading, tinatanong ko din yung querent. May specific question ka ba or do you want just like a general reading lang ganyan. Ayun. Sorry, can I move this?
Of
a
course,
bit?
okay.
Thank
You sure meron kayong you mentioned na
Yes.
this is emotionally mentally taxing. So I want to make sure that you have the space for it.
Yes.
Kaya naman, kahit one card lang, ganun.
No, we'll make it more.
Okay. Do I ask or...
Sure.
Okay. So akin, since the podcast ay ang kayod ngayon, ang itatanong ko is about my career. So I'm in a season of my life na medyo maraming uncertainties. I am 2 years since I graduated. So madami akong questions. Saan ba ako pupunta? Tama ba yung sa kung nasan ako right now? Babalik ba ako ng engineering? Hindi ko alam.
I have a question. So, okay lang ba if she will read for
Uh-huh.
you? Tapos, kasi kanina, when we were nasa washroom kami, parang tinanong niya if I can read her energy. I
Of
don't
course.
just read her energy. So, parang I can,
Sure.
do you want me to pull
Yes,
a card
yes.
for you?
Okay.
So, sige.
Paano naman ikaw?
I'll read for you.
Okay lang,
Kaya mo na dalawa yung
Okay pa
Yes.
naman ako. Ay, okay lang. Hindi ko kailangan na reading ngayon.
Sure? Sige,
yes,
sige.
salamat.
galing.
Wait, what's your zodiac sign? Like the sun sign.
Cancer.
Cancer.
Okay. Kinabahan.
Ano mangyayari sa career ni Doreen? Cancer.
Ba't ako kinakabahan? Para ako mag-e-exam.
Naman, kasi this is your first time, no?
Oo, ever.
Okay. That's fine.
I'm honored.
Thank you for doing this. Kanina nagulat nga ako when you mentioned yung aking aura.
Yeah, it's really bright actually.
Really bright like my pen?
Yes, it's pink. Do you want to pick a card para for more
Okay.
experience?
Grabe, ginagawa ko lang to sa sa barahan namin.
Isa pa.
Okay. Oh my gosh, I am so sorry. I'm so sorry. Ito,
Wait,
oh.
wait, wait.
Ito. Sorry, am I allowed to touch it?
Yes,
Okay.
yes, yes. Ilan na yung dalawa? Pili ka pang isa.
Okay. Kinabahan. Okay lang.
OMG. Charis.
Hindi ko alam kung kinakabahan ako o malamig lang talaga dito sa studio. Nanginginig na ako. Hoy, my lovers! You're my... Okay.
Wait. Pili ka pang dalawa.
Ang dami. Sure kang may space?
Yes.
Okay.
Ayan. Tapos pa-flip na lang. Ayan. Thank you. So ngayon kasi, you need to really reflect on your decisions. Kasi parang you'll be making a lot of the decisions regarding your career. Parang marami kang dapat isipin, ipag-reflect. Parang hindi mo kasi alam din yung gagawin mo eh. Parang
Totoo.
you're stuck na, ito ba yung gagawin ko? Ito ba yung hindi ko dapat gawin? May mga ganun kang moments.
Totoo.
And there are times na parang ayaw mo na sumunod sa traditional na way of, sabihin na natin, deciding upon things regarding your career, or ayaw mo na sumunod sa boss. May mga ganun eh.
Totoo.
Siguro ayaw mo may male figure siguro na ayaw mong sundin.
Okay.
Na parang, no, this isn't working. I'm not gonna follow what you are saying. Parang ayaw mo na siyang paniwalaan. Pero at the same time, you have to. Kasi boss mo siya or higher siya sa'yo or mas may authority siya sa'yo.
Okay.
Is that correct?
Okay. May naiisip
Yeah.
ako. Okay.
Pero at the same time, gusto mo rin namang makinig. Pero it's like you're not, you're like fighting for what you really want to do.
Totoo.
Pero at the same time, hindi yun yung gusto niya for you.
Totoo. Ang galing mo. Kinikilabutan ako.
And
Oh my
with
gosh.
that, parang nauubos ka eh. Parang ginagawa mo lahat for this work kasi you love this work naman, you love your career, pero at the same time, nauubos ka na. With this, Ace of Cups in reverse, para kasing ikaw yung may hawak dito nung pinaka-cup, na natatapon yung tubig. Parang yan yung feelings mo na nauubos ka na parang binibigay mo naman lahat, na parang wala ka na nakukuha in return. Siguro nga dahil sa male figure na yon. I don't know. Pero ayun, with the lovers, hindi siya literal na the lovers.
Okay.
It means that you are going to decide. There are a lot of choices. Marami kang options pero hindi mo alam kung saan ka papunta. What's important to note is that you know what you're going to choose. Kasi mahirap na marami ka lang options. And hindi mo pwede sabihin na wala kang options. Marami kang options.
Nakaka-overwhelm.
Yes, may times lang na hindi mo gusto yung options na yon. Pero at the same time, you need to choose. Tapos with the Empress naman,
Hopefully soon.
yes, with the Empress naman, you know your worth. Mataas yung tingin mo sa sarili mo. Alam mo na, ito akong klase ng tao. Itong klase ako ng babae. I am empowered. I am beautiful. I am knowledgeable. I am intelligent. You need to tell those words to yourself. Kasi mahirap yung hindi mo alam yung worth mo eh. Lalo na magde-decide ka upon this job, upon this career. Ano ba next kong gagawin? Mahirap na hindi mo isinasaalang-alang kung ano yung tingin mo sa sarili mo and kung ano yung nafe-feel mo towards yourself. So dapat, kapag magde-decide ka regarding your career, alam mo kung anong klaseng tao ka. Ano yung strength mo, ano yung capabilities mo, ano yung abilities mo. So, ayun.
Oh my gosh.
So, is it positive, is it negative? So siya. It depends on you. That's why we have this called free will, di ba? Kailangan alam mo na hindi ka pwede maging indecisive. You need to be decisive.
Ang hirap.
Yes.
Ang hirap maging hindi indecisive.
Sa moment na ito, parang hindi mo pa alam eh. Hindi mo pa alam kung saan ka papunta. Pero you
Totoo.
have to. Yes.
I will work on it. I am working on it. Thank you so much for the
Welcome.
reading. Thank you. Alam kong nabanggit nyo kanina na emotionally, mentally taxing siya. So, thank you. Thank you so much. I am returning the energy.
Thank you.
Okay.
For her pala.
Okay, let's go.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Just to wrap things up, paano nyo nakikita ang next years in this practice at ano yung message ninyo again, message nyo to people na who don't believe or who have that stigma dun sa practice ninyo?
Okay, sige. What are the next years? What's coming
How do you
next?
see this yourself in this practice in the next years?
I'm sorry.
There you go.
Hello. Ayan. How I see myself. Well, I'm sorry. I'm gathering my thoughts.
It's okay.
And
It's the writer in you eh.
I'm just prayerfully, hopefully, and wishfully I can keep sustaining it. Ayun, mapagpatuloy ko lang yung advocacy din. And I'm looking forward actually na mas maraming, and this is something I learned also. I heard also from my Reiki mentor na, hi Teacher Gab ng Sept Academica. Ayun, it's something I heard from them na, ayun nga, parang in the coming years, probably mas magiging in demand yung ganitong klase ng practices. There's a lens that merong parang, paano ba? I'm trying to put my words together na hindi siya magiging parang mind-blowing because baka mag 1 hour ulit tayo dito. But yeah, I mean, I think sa madaling sabi, parang delving into these practices, hindi siya talaga alternative kasi this is ancient wisdom. So this is like just going back to our roots with Reiki, with tarot, with folk magic, with folk healing. It's going back to our roots. As we go back to our roots, probably, parang hindi na lang siya considered as alternative. But, it's part of one of the go-to options na rin talaga. Kasi, like I mentioned kanina when we were talking about the chakras, like, yung physical symptoms, usually they're connected with mental and emotional troubles as well, or conditions. So, sana hindi lang yung physical, yung tignan natin palagi. Kasi parang pwedeng maging band-aid solutions lang din yun eh. So, we go inward, we go back to our roots. And how I see myself in that, parang gusto ko lang magpatuloy na mag-contribute in that movement of going back to our roots, of decolonization, of owning our traditions back. Parang sobrang dami na kasing nangyari all throughout the years na parang ang daming na whitewash, ang daming inagaw na mga practice culturally. So parang ayun, parang as we reclaim these practices, sana mas maging open pa yung, although walang pilitan, pero alam mo yun, parang sana mas marami pang matulungan yung ganitong practices as it becomes more in demand, as it becomes more democratized as well.
I'm with you on that dream. How about you, AC?
Sobrang agree ako sa sinabi niya na i-embrace pa yung sarili nating culture when it comes to folk magic, to tarot reading, these practices. Kasi maraming parang heavily influenced na tayo ng Western culture. And
although this is a Western practice, tarot is a Western practice.
Sobrang influence na tayo. Why don't we go back to our own roots nga naman? Kasi I know people na talagang inaaral nila is yung mga ancestral natin, yung ganyan. Gusto kong matutunan yun, not just for myself. Kasi naniniwala ko na nandun yun, na binigay sa atin yung blessing na yun, yung knowledge na yun, para
For a
i-impart
reason.
din. Yes. Para i-impart din sa ibang tao na, baka makatulong to. And it goes back to the urge to help other people talaga, not just for our own gains din naman, na magkaroon ng kita, ganyan, makatulong din talaga sa ibang tao. Syempre, we have to be better, di ba? Para sa sarili natin and para na rin makatulong sa ibang tao. Kasi mahirap naman na, okay, ganito lang ako, hanggang dito lang yung kaya ko. Hindi pwedeng ganun. We have to be, more proactive. We have to strive for our better selves para rin makatulong. Kasi mahirap nga naman yung sabi niya kanina na pouring from an empty cup.
Yes.
Mahirap yun eh. Kailangan tayo mismo may pinupour tayo sa sarili nating cup bago tayo magbigay sa ibang tao. Tsaka, I also wish na, yes, maraming non-believers. Pero I believe kasi na ito na yung age wherein new age na tayo eh. Sabi nga nila, new age of Aquarius, diba? So, naniniwala ako na mas magiging open pa lahat ng tao. Kundi man lahat, maraming tao. Kasi hindi lang naman umiikot yung mundo sa isang belief or practice.
Paniniwala.
Yes.
Marami, hindi natin alam kung may aliens ba, may mga ganyan-ganyan. Marami tayong hindi nakikita na hindi natin ma-explain, and at the same time, na-explain ng ibang tao. And I wish we could all be educated on those kind of things.
Open-minded.
Yes. Diba tulad na sabi mo kanina, science and spirituality could coexist. So, why don't we incorporate it to make it a better world, diba? Hindi naman pwedeng sarado lang isip natin paragi. Hindi tayo magiging, what we call this, hindi tayo magiging,
Sarado.
more, hindi tayo magiging more open, hindi tayo magiging advanced. Yun.
kasama niyo ako in that dream. Thank you so much for sharing your gift, your energy, your time. Thank you so much. Baka may gusto kayong i-promote. So more people could reach you at maibahagi niyo rin yung gift niyo sa ibang tao.
So hello everyone. I'm in Twitter. You could search na lang Pentacles Queen _ nasa IG rin ako, nasa Reddit din ako. So nasa Facebook din ako, Jay's Tarot Reading Services.
Ayan, ito. Dito one behind. Ayan, hi, I am Miko of Babaylan Ascending, and I only have one page right now, sa Instagram lang. So, I'm there, babaylan.ascending, and if you want to have like a reading or a Reiki session, hopefully you can visit my page and see the services there. So, thank you.
Thank you so much for sharing your gift dito sa podcast namin, and I pray that you guys will be able to make more magic in the lives of other people. Thank you so much. Thank you guys.
Ang ganda ng mic.
Wala na yung